I got to show you one of my all-time favorite kitchen must-haves. These are the Pampered Chef 1 cup prep bowl set. Trust me, once you get your hands on these, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. We love them. You get a set of 6 bowls. They're tempered glass bowls, and each has its own lid. They're super handy. These bowls are dishwasher, microwave, and oven safe. Just don't do the lids because the lids can't handle the heat, but I can wash them in the top shelf of my dishwasher. Each cup holds 1 full cup and has actual etched measurements on the side, 3/4, 1/2, 1/4. And then on the other side, it's in milliliter measurements if that's how you prefer your measurements to be in. Prepping for ease of measuring on things is nice for liquids when you're cooking, maybe for rice. We use them for everything. We melt butter in them. We mix for dressings for our lunches, prepping ingredients for meals, or just storing leftovers. Perfect size, or fruits as well. They're also, a thoughtful gift. They're super practical, and honestly, they're so cute. So they're great for anyone who prefers smaller, lightweight kitchen tools. They're easy to handle. They're easy to clean. They're super versatile. We love them.